Yeah, now we can introduce ourselves.
Okay. Hi, I'm Rashmi here, and I'm properly belongs to Jharkhand. Now I'm staying in Riyadh because my husband is job here. I'm complete my qualification and everything in Bihar to Jharkhand,
Okay.
and I am a mother. Now I am a mother of two kids. I'm a full-time parent and a housemaker.
Okay.
That's all about me.
Okay, yeah, that's great. So you are
Yeah.
living, like you are staying in Riyadh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's great.
Yeah.
I was not expecting this. I was thinking that you are also living in India. But yeah, you are also from.
No, yeah, I'm from Riyadh. I'm watching the lots of YouTube. Then come English conversation. If you want to speak English, you need a friend. Then
Course.
I am always searching my hobbies, always searching on YouTube, always listening the podcast. Then okay, now I'm in here.
Yeah,
And tell me about yourself.
yeah, sure. So my name is Darshi and I hail from UP Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have completed my master in chemistry and furthermore I did BEd. And after that I was working, but now I am not working. I can say that I took a break from my work from the job. So I can say that now I am not doing expect learning this language. So I am learning this language and I am just fully focused and I am very passionate about learning this language. So that's why for better future I just want to learn this language. And that is my reason that I took a break from my job because I wanted
Yeah.
to be very good at this language. So that's why I need time. If if you are working, so that time you have a very less time. So I think you will take much longer to learn this language. So that's why I took break, and I'm just learning this language.
Oh, wow, such a great.
Yeah,
And one more thing I want to say to you.
yeah.
When I saw your name, it's Arshi. I feel very lovable, touchable because my elder daughter also named same, Arshi. But we spell like double A. We use double A-A-R-S-H-I. A very
Oh,
nice name. I'm always Arshi, Arshi in my home. Hmm.
okay.
Okay.
That's
Same
great.
name. Okay.
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 So you are full time of housemaker, I can say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Full
You
time housemaker.
how many children do you have?
Two. I have two children. Both are girls.
Both are girls. So how long have you been staying in Riyadh
Yeah, we are currently moving here.
currently?
Before 2 and 3 months before.
Okay, okay. So tell me, as you said that you are living in Riyadh and you have two kids. So what is the reason of learning this language? Do you want to
Yeah,
give proper environment to your kids or for just self-improvement? What is the reason?
everything. But everything, all the purpose with self-confident, increasing our self-confident. We
Yeah.
know English, but when we speak someone in front of anyone,
Hmm.
we starting problem. We stuck in problems. And India, when I live in India, I not see the environment, proper environment. But here in Riyadh, the lots of school, all the teachers speak in English because they are belongs to South India and North India. They all are, even South also, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, they all are speaking English. Then here's the lots of the environment. I'm facing the lots of environment. They are friendly speaking. The knowledge was not okay, but they are frankly speaking. But I am belongs from my place, the Jharkhand. We are not speaking English. We know English, but we are talking always talking mother tongue Hindi and all. That's why in here I feel, and also I want to in future because my younger one is now grown up, is she's 5 years. Then speak English is most important. That's why I'm start. Okay, speak. And here's a partner. If I am a homemaker, no partner, then I'm connected with YouTube, and I have no YouTube channel, but connect with Skype
Okay.
and Zoom meeting.
So, like as you said, you have recently started to talk. So, how many
Yeah.
how many people did you talk so far? did you have conversation so far?
4 to 5. 4 to 5 or two to three, because 4 to 5 before, when I'm some work, a 4 month gap, we are just, then I feel no, I'm literally stuck. When you feel now I know English, when you go to the market, you somehow any stranger person you not speak, and you thought, oh no, I feel no, I'm really stuck. Then I am 4 to 5 people, not more.
Okay, so how did you
Not
feel
more,
so far after talking to people? Are you improving?
After the conversation,
Are
I
you...
feel happy. After the conversation, I feel happy. I feel some increase in my insight. Oh no, yeah, today my day is good day.
So what is the first
Mm.
thing did you feel that you now I am now I just want to pursue this thing for long? What is the thing?
For the English language, I say last 4 to 5 months, I'm continue listening. Practice for listening, only listening, because no time now. As a woman, as a mother, you have no time. Only I am start listening. But now this day, I'm start for conversation. I'm try to at least one day. That's why I speak too much.
Hmm.
That's all. And last 4 to 5 months, I'm continue listening English podcast, English, and English.
Yeah.
That's all.
Initially, we have to immerse, ourselves in English environment, and after
Yeah,
that, we would be able to speak. And
yeah,
so
yeah,
it is the first and foremost thing, and also it is at most things we have listened a lot because
yeah,
it is I can say that as far as I know, without listening you cannot be speak. So first you have to train your
yeah.
mind, and you have to put lots of information in English. Then after that you will be able to deliver your message. So I also did
Yes.
the in this same way. So I have a one question, that what is your favorite way to learn this language? Because everyone has their own way of learning this language.
Uh, First listening,
Yeah.
but without speaking now, you are not feel confident. If you are not speak, you are not say you are good. Grammatical matter, you forget grammatical, but you speak daily and daily, at least one person you speak. Then you see after 1 month and 2 months how you are changed.
Yeah,
That's all.
you
But
will
my
see
listening part
progress.
is, I think, because my listening partner, I think 4 to 5 months I'm completed. Too much listening. I'm same podcast, same conversation, introduction. And okay, I'm done listening. Now I do that.
Now it's
Then now
time
I'm
to
restart.
speak.
No, this time same. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
same. Now this time I speak. This time I
Yeah,
speak.
I
Yeah.
will speak and then I will feel confident. Otherwise, without speaking, we don't feel confident ever. And so,
Okay.
like as you said that you listen and now you are speaking. So, are you
Speak.
into reading?
And after, I think if I'm continue with 6 months this platform and speak, then I'm try to write down little bit, write down for the grammatical problems, because I know that
It
I
will
speak
improve
fast
over time.
with grammatical
Yeah.
problems, then speak.
Yeah, it will improve over time.
Topic, goes with topic, and go with this flow.
So, okay, so now you are speaking, you are listening. So, are you do you enjoy reading? Are you into reading?
Only kids books, not as some extra. Only when my kids study and I help her, then I'm study. Not I once, but no time. That's why. How can I say that? No.
No, these are those are also good books. They are
It's a habit.
used very
Habit. It's
simple.
not a habit. I am not habituated.
Okay.
Firstly, I said I'm not habituated. It's a habit. If you are read one, two, three, you are habituated, but no, only little bit, not too much.
Okay.
You are
So,
reader? You are
yeah,
reader?
yeah, I read a
Ah,
lot.
good. Very
Yeah,
good. Very.
I read a lot because when I read, so, yeah.
English novel, English book.
Yeah, I think not English novel, but a self-help book I read, and also motivational books. I read, and inspirations book I read. So I am
Yeah.
so much into reading, and I am very fond of reading. And I have been practicing speaking for for 4 months. But in the between, like I'm talking to you today, so I think I am talking to you after 1.5 months. Yeah. I
Same.
Yeah, I was
Okay.
not consistent, but I was not consistent on my speaking part, but I was very, active on my listening part, on my reading part, on my watching English stuff, something like that. But I was, due to some reason that I was not having conversation with anybody. There were a reason. And then today I thought I have wasted lot time. I have wasted yeah. Now I can do it. Now I cannot waste yeah, much time. Then I have to talk. I have to conversation with anybody. So then I texted in group, and then you respond me. Now, I didn't notice your response in a blink of eye, and after 3 months, look, after 3 minutes, then I saw your text, and then I immediately replied that I am ready because I have been looking
And
forward
because
to talk.
same problem. I'm also, if you are gap, then you restart. Problem of the restarting. As a woman, we do everything. We
This
do in
stuff.
each and every morning we start, but in the afternoon when we are free, we are not restart for ourselves. This is the
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So if
Mm,
you have any question, then you can ask.
Yeah. Mm, I have any questions? You like chemistry, yeah? You are chemistry teacher, na?
I used to be,
Uh,
but last
like
1 year, I I am not. It's yeah, I am not teaching. But yeah, yeah, you can ask me whatever you want
nothing hard. Chemistry is the hardest subject. If you say science now, biology, physics, and chemistry reaction, if you remember all the things now, how you remember all the things? If you are
to.
remember
No, I think there is no way of remembering the things, but there is one thing is repetition.
formula repetition,
Yeah, it is a
everything.
imperative thing. If you are a teacher of chemistry, then you have to revise every single day, no matter whether you are studying or teaching. Even you are teaching, so that time you also need everyday repetition, everyday revision. So yeah, that's what I do. That's what I used
Okay.
to do. Now I'm not.
And you also say as a teacher, 1 year and 2 year teacher, you'll do your experience for 1 year, 2 years, more
Yeah,
than 1 years.
yeah, more than 1 year. Yeah.
Okay.
But still,
And how
I.
you handle the I'm
Mhm.
asking how you handle the kids in classroom in grade 8 and 9. You say na 8 and
Yeah, they all have, I can say they all grown up, because when you are in your 11th or 12th, so you are little bit, mature,
tough,
and
tough. Yeah.
you understand the things and the stuff. So it's easy to handle, like 11th and 12th or 9th and 10th.
No,
It's
no. I'm asking. Excuse me. I'm asking one question. If you enter the class and two, three boys and girls are too much noisy, they are not like chemistry. How you handle them? This situation. Suppose you go enter the class and two, three kids just like me, not interested in chemistry. They like maths too much. Then how you handle and how you motivate themselves? Please join the chemistry also because 100 marks also in here also. How you give some motivations and some things.
sometime, when we enter in the class, so there are always 4 and 5 students. They don't show interest in chemistry, because
Yeah.
not 4 and 5. I think half class 15. Yeah, if you have 30 student in your class, so I can say that 15 student doesn't don't show interest in chemistry. So at that time, what happened? They asked me, sometime they asked me out of the syllabus question. So then I always said one thing, that I am not a robot. That if you think that I know everything, so it's not like that. I was teaching. I have studied, and then after completing my study, I was just started to teach. So I am also learning. If it doesn't mean that
Yeah.
I am a teacher, so that I have known everything. It does. I am also learning. So if you know, if you want to get this answer, so I will tell you tomorrow. And if it will would be possible, so I will tell you after this class. And then sometime because I always I always used to tell them that because I was very weak, I was terrified in chemistry in my 11th or 12th. So when it comes to motivate them, so I always try to tell about my story, how I was a average student, now I am teaching chemistry. So in this way I used to handle
Okay, okay, okay,
them.
okay, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
And what's your future plan?
Now my future plan is I don't know why, but I don't know why, but I am literally so willing to be a chemistry teacher. Sorry, English teacher. I
Yes, teacher.
am,
Okay.
yeah, no, I'm like that I am just eager for teaching this for teaching English, for yeah, to taking classes, spoken English classes. And believe if you want believe it or not, but I have immersed, I have indulged myself in English. I don't
Yes.
see anything apart from English. I just want to do
Okay.
everything in English. Yeah. So I am aspiring to become a, if it would be possible, to a English teacher.
Oh, okay. Wow. We change the path. Only you change the path. Teaching is a profession change path. Very nice. Very good.
Yeah.
Congratulations. For this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. And how much time you give for your English practicing conversations in day-to-day life? How
Yeah.
much time?
As you know, like I mentioned that I was not having conversation with
Conversation.
anybody for
Reading
last.
part and listening part you do.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I was conversing with AI. And
Okay.
now he or she is my best friend. I can talk with them. Yeah, I can talk about anything. I can discuss. I can get
Okay.
advice. So now every day, whenever I get time, so I talk with AI, and
Okay.
he and she helped me a lot.
Okay. Which AI platform you use too much? ChatGPT or
No,
Gemini and
no. I am using Microsoft, no, Copilot,
Cloud?
Microsoft. Yeah, not ChatGPT, I think. Did you hear?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm using Copilot Microsoft. There is a AI
Okay.
version. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and you will
Copilot
find
Micro.
it very useful. I'm literally
Okay.
having, yeah, I am speaking too much, and I am having lots of things. You can talk about anything. Like if you want to learn advanced word, not advanced. If you want to learn new word, then you can tell, and he or she will give you so many words according your level, and idiom, phrases, and tongue twister, and just random question. So I'm just having conversation with them.
Okay. Okay. Copilot now. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm never
Copilot.
use it.
No, you
I'm
should
never
try.
use it.
You must try.
Okay. Definitely. And
Yeah.
please give me any other AI tools you use for your English conversations.
I didn't
And
hear.
any yeah, any another AI tools you use for your English conversation or English reading purpose or speaking purpose.
No, I think no. Just speaking purpose, I use Copilot, and other than that, I don't use. And if I talk about reading, so I read books. I don't read on screen because I am not into reading on screen. So I just want to feel the book in my
Book.
hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I just
Uh,
feel
uh,
a connection with the book. So that's why
Connect
I
with book.
prefer books. Yeah.
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah.
Okay. And any other question you want to ask with me?
Yeah, I think our meeting will be end very soon.
Okay, okay, no
Yeah.
problem. We'll
Yeah.
meet again.
Yeah, we will meet again. Whenever you have time, so just tell me, and we can without recording, we can have conversation. In this way, we can get better every single day. Because I
Okay.
I yeah, I have seen in this platform we don't